Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to join a tournament in Clash Royale. The first thing is, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install the application. Now, once the application has been downloaded, it's going to take you right into the battle screen where you're going to be asked to play or pass a demo tournament. Yes, you need to pass through a demo tournament in the battle screen. And once you're done with that first phase of the training, it's going to take you right into this home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tab, which is how to join a tournament in Clash Royale. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to click on the top right corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that, and here you have battle log, you have leaderboards, you have TV Royale, and tournaments, settings, and Supercell ID. So go ahead and click on tournaments. Now, I'm unable to join a tournament because it says that, so I'm just gonna go all the way back. Okay, to this home screen. So click on this and tournaments. Now select tournaments. It says unlocks at king level 8. So it means I have to keep playing this game and playing this game until I get to king level 8. And once I get to king level 8, then I can be able to click on this tournament and join a tournament. But right now I'm unable to do this because I'm just at level 2. But if you're able to do that, just go ahead and click on tournament. And once you click on tournament, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have a couple of tournaments that you can join. You're going to see a couple of people that are playing games. So just click on this tournament and it's going to display a wide array of tournaments that you can choose. Select any of them and go ahead and have fun playing your game. So click on these and follow through with the instructions, and you'll be able to have a great time playing with friends in any tournament that you choose. But this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.